Today, we're uncovering the hidden magic in laundry chores, transforming them into engaging family activities. When we think about laundry, many of us envision an endless pile of clothes that needs taming. Yet, this same chore holds the power to teach our children essential skills. By involving them in these tasks, we nurture independence and adaptability, two cornerstones of life we all hope to instill in our kids. Let's begin by considering why laundry is such an important life skill. Laundry isn't just about cleaning clothes. It involves sorting, careful attention to fabric care, time management, and even a bit of chemistry with detergents. Imagine what your children can learn from just a simple act of laundry. They understand sorting through separating whites from coloreds, similarly completed garments from those to be ironed. It's a hands-on way to reinforce concepts they might be learning in school, such as colors, categories, or even basic math. Now, you probably think, how do I make sorting laundry fun? It's easier than you might assume. A game is a perfect tool to ignite interest. You could set up a color sorting race, where each child is assigned a color, and they compete to find and sort clothing into piles. Alternatively, turn it into a matching game with socks. As your children sort, they're not only organizing, but also honing their cognitive skills. Once the sorting is done, let's move to folding. Many of us dread this part, but with a creative twist, it becomes enjoyable and meaningful. Consider hosting a folding competition to see who can fold the neatest shirt or create the best stack of clothes. Or perhaps involve them in making laundry art, like arranging folded clothes into a fun shape or pattern. Emphasize creativity and teamwork, and before you know it, your little helpers are eagerly awaiting laundry day. While the games and competitions engage your kids, it's crucial to underline teamwork and communication during these tasks. Demonstrate how to work together by assigning roles, perhaps making one child in charge of colored clothes, while another handles the whites. Encourage them to communicate if they need help or when they've completed their task. Transforming laundry into a team activity not only makes it efficient, but also builds communication and cooperation skills, which are essential in every area of life. Creating a positive atmosphere is another factor that cannot be overlooked. Uplift spirits with lively music or the kids' favorite tunes. Make the environment inviting and fun. Soon, it'll reduce resistance to joining in. Positive reinforcement goes a long way, so celebrate their little victories, whether it's getting the maximum socks matched or the fastest folding time. Fathers, as you juggle your professional lives, it can be daunting to find moments with your kids. But these chores offer small pockets of quality time. You're not just turning chores into games, you're laying down the framework for their future, strengthening your connection. Imagine turning an ordinary laundry day into an unforgettable adventure, one sock at a time. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Bonding Through Home Chores. I hope you feel inspired to take on laundry day with a new outlook, ready to create lasting ties with your children. Until next time, embrace the chores and cherish the moments they bring. Goodbye.